Hi, welcome to Siemens NX video tutorial. It's a remake of an old one and it's a very basic and simple exercise. Let's take a look at the drawing. So here it is, and you could make a screenshot if you want and follow this exercise step by step. So let's have fun with Siemens NX. Okay, let's start with a sketch on the YZ plane. I need a rectangle, and that should be 56 by 118. And I want it to be symmetric to the sketch origin, so let's go for that line, select that midpoint, select the sketch origin, and make it coincident. Finish that sketch. Let's make an extrude, make it symmetric, make it 60 millimeters. Confirm, hide that sketch. Go for a face blend, 3 faces, make sure the filter is set to single face, select this face, select the opposite one, select the mid face, apply, select that front face here, go to the opposite side, select the mid face and confirm. Next sketch should be on the ZX plane. That's the one. Confirm. I need a circle, diameter should be 60, align the center of that circle with the sketch origin here vertical, and the distance between that center and the sketch origin should be 30. Finish that sketch. Make an extrude, make it symmetric, make sure it's united, like that, and confirm. Hide that sketch, go for the whole feature, move to that circular edge, select the arc center, make it 30 millimeter in diameter, normal to face, through body, apply, then go to that circular edge, snap to the arc center, make it 32 in diameter and confirm, and I'm done. So I hope this was helpful, I hope you liked it. If you did like it, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, that would really help. You could follow me also on GrabCAD, Facebook, Twitter and many more. Thanks for watching, see you to the next one. Bye bye.